Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess, and today this video is going to be a little bit different than what I have on my channel. This is going to be a breathwork video. Today I'm going to take you through box breathing. So it's a 4-count breath, and what it does and what it's really good for is, number one, lengthening the breath. So if we're in our yoga practice and we have shortness of breath, or if we're in our lives and we have choppy breath, this will train you to lengthen the inhales and lengthen the exhales. The lengthening of the breath and the deeper breaths translate into a calmer nervous system. So this breath is really great if you're feeling anxious. This breath is really great if you have a million things going on in your head and you can't shut off your thoughts, maybe before bed, maybe before a big presentation at work. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to do box breathing, just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to get started today in a comfortable seat. You can be on your mat cross-legged, on shins. Maybe you want to pile up some blocks and blankets so you're nice and comfy. You can even just be in a chair. This breath doesn't have to be done in a yoga setting. It can be done whenever you need it. So find yourself a nice comfortable position, and then we'll ground down into what's touching the earth. So we're going to earth down into our sitting bones, into our feet, whatever's touching the ground, and then pull in the abdominals, lengthen the crown of the head and the back of the neck, and shoulders are down and back. So this gives us a nice open channel for the breath to move through our body. Whenever we're doing breath work, we want to be nice and long. We don't want to come into a closed off position and slouching. We want to be open through the front body, lengthened and strong through the core and the back. So in today's breath, I'd like to give you a little visual. We're going to count our inhales and exhales with holds in between for a 4-count. There's going to be 4 sides to the breath, so if it helps you to visualize, you can imagine each 4-count as one side of a box, closing off the box over and over again. If it doesn't help you to visualize, then just listen to my cueing and you can just follow along that way. So close down your eyes. Re-engage the spine, lengthen the neck, feel grounded and rooted. We're going to begin with the lips closed off, just breathing in and out through your nose, nice and natural. So let's just start to notice that you are breathing. That's the first step. And then just noticing if your breath is deep this morning or evening, or maybe it's shallow. Starting to get curious about our breath. And then on your next inhale, just through the nose, start to breathe in as slow as you can for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow exhale through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your empty for 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow exhale through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow inhale. 1, 2. Expand. 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow exhale. Shoulders drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the bottom of the exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, length through the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow exhale, soften. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the bottom of the exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a big inhale through your nose. Fill the lungs, fill the belly all the way up. Then open your mouth, sigh out. One more just like that. Inhale. Open your mouth. Shoulders soft. Return your breath to normal. Just allowing the mind to do whatever it likes. Allowing your breath to do whatever it likes. And we'll slowly flutter our eyes to open. So there you have it, box breathing. This video was a very short introduction to this breath. You can do this breath for as long as you would like. You can start with 5 minutes, move to 10, move to 15. Notice how you feel after you're done with your breath work. Please comment below, let me know how you feel. Let me know if you've used this breath and if it's helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like more content like this, maybe more breath videos, please let me know. Subscribe to my channel. If you would like to follow me anywhere but YouTube, my Instagram is @jrockyoga, and my website for longer videos, recipes, other good stuff is jrockyoga.com. Again, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.